What else would you like with it?
Milk.
Yeah, I'll put some milk on. You want a bit more milk? Because it'll be crunchy. Put some more milk on. Yeah, put the lid on. You don't want to put your yogurt on. Bob, get your spoon.
Are that a spoon?
Yep. That's a fork. The spoon. Okay, where does the milk belong?
And food.
Yeah. Okay, bring your plate to the table.
It's
Open your yogurt. Yeah, eat your breakfast.
hot one.
Yeah. Is that nice? Is it good? You're learning to be independent, aren't you? Yes, because when you're a big schoolgirl, you become independent and you can make your own breakfast.
I am.
Yeah, and it's a nice healthy breakfast, cereal and yogurt, isn't it? And you're learning to help yourself. the yogurt?
Yes.
Is it sweet or sour?
Sour. I like sour, and if I,
You like sour?
yeah,
You don't like sweet?
I do.
You like sweet and sour?
Yeah, I love both of them.
Oh. And is that chunky or smooth?
Both of them.
Chunky and smooth.
Yeah,
Can you taste some berries in it?
yeah.
What colour are the berries?
Blue.
You must be having blueberry yogurt. Do you want any toast or you had enough?
Toast.
You would like some toast? Well, maybe you need to cook it yourself.
I'm making my own breakfast today.
Are you the mum today? Are you giving mum a day off?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice of you. Thank you. What are you having on your toast?
I will make my own toast.
You're such a big girl making your own toast. Are you going to push the button down as well to cook the toast?
Yeah.
You're a girl with a very few words this morning.
Mum, I love sour and both of them.
You like sour.
And if I've asked me a question again,
What are you going to put on your toast?
no, you said you love sour
Oh, okay. Do you like sour or sweet yogurt?
I love both of them.
And what is it chunky yogurt or is it smooth yogurt?
I love both of them.
And what colour is the yogurt?
White,
And
blue,
blue. So what is blueberry yogurt?
and strawberry.
And strawberry.
Yeah. Look,
Oh, yum.
I'm making it. And if I,
Would you like some toast now?
yeah, I'm making it on my plate.
Okay, you need to put.
And if I press the toast.
The bread's in the fridge. In the red plastic bag.
And the red.
Yeah, would you like Mummy to help you?
No.
No?
Oh, this is in the fridge.
I'll get the jam for you.
Oh, no. That is the chocolate.
Put the cereal away.
That is the chocolate. What is more? I don't like that.
No, don't have that one. Yeah,
One.
yeah. No, you just have to wait. Get a plate.
Put this back in. Bag this in.
Let's put it back in the fridge. There's your plate.
I don't
a knife out?
Mama, don't you ask me a question anymore.
You don't need me to ask you a question anymore. A knife. Yeah? Yeah?
Mama, I want to do it up here.
No, you do it on the plate.
No, I'm saying I'm gonna throw my cheese up here on the plate.
Okay. Now you have to wait for the toast to cook.
The time?
Yeah, leave there.
That's the time.
That's the time. It says 2 minutes.
2 more minutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Time's up.
And the time's up when it pops.
Up. There. You make it again, Mom.
How many more minutes do you think?
I don't know. Count again.
Yeah, you count again. 0.
It's not in school.
Yeah. And what comes after 0?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11,
10.
10. Ah, it's popping up now.
Oh, it's not popping up yet. Maybe we have to count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh,
Because I was jumping and then this popped up.
take it off. Take the lid off.
I'm afraid of move. I think it's working now. Help me.
You can do it.
I'm giving you this down. This is down. No, down. And you need your piece.
Oh, it's all right, darling.
You don't want fixes.
Later. Can we take the lid off the jelly? Oh, yeah. Put your jam on now. That's all right.
Okay. It's not too tight. It's not too tight. One of them. Little bit.
Want a little bit more jam? Good girl. Put the knife in the sink.
I'm going to cut it.
Are you going to cut it?
Not cutting the thing off. I'm saying cut it. I'm giving you one.
No, you can have it. Good girl. Put the knife in the sink.
This cheetah. I can use this one.
Put the lid, good girl,
And this good.
in the fridge.
And the fit cheek. Basically, Mom.
Find a space. Put the lid on the butter.
This is in a cold. But it's shut the door.
Is it nice paste? What colour's your jam?
Red.
Red jam.
Mama, it's red or
Yeah, that's red.
white.
What fruit is red?
Strawberry.
Is it strawberry jam? Do you like strawberry jam?
Mom, was on the top. I can see Uncle Two of a hat.
Uncle Tua with the hat.
Look.
Do you like your toast? Because that's good because you're learning to do things for yourself, aren't you? Because you're a... No, you can have that, darling. You've given Mummy the morning off, seen it's Saturday, and you've made your breakfast all by yourself. You're very good, aren't you? Did you finish your Milo? Here's your Milo. It's all right. It's an accident. It's all right. It's all right, darling. Give me your hand. Because accidents happen. Grown-ups make accidents too. There we go. Cleaned it all up.
Somebody talking
Huh?
backwards.
Pardon?
Somebody, I heard a beep.
You heard a beep? And what does a beep mean?
You know, like a horn.
Oh, horn. And what were you saying about bad words?
Nothing.
Like that on the cloth, like your jammies. It's all right. Don't worry, Auntie. We can wash your jammies. It's only a bit of jam. Was that nice? Finish your drink.
Thank you for watching.
my video.
Louder.
Louder. Say thank you for watching. Natalia,
Thank you for watching
my video.
my video.
How to make
How to make
breakfast.
breakfast.
You put it on the bench. Oh, got butter all over the bench.
So, mate,
What happened, Mum?
That's all right. Just rinsing the Milo. Talia, come here, look.